If you use testosterone injections, you may notice that your medication looks a little different from one refill to the next. That's normal. We work with several pharmacies and medication options to help keep your treatment on track, especially if something is out of stock or delayed. There are 3 things you may notice are different: the vial size, the carrier oil, or the pharmacy. Here's what each one means. First, let's talk about the size of the vial. You may receive either a 5 ml or 10 ml vial. Think of it like the same drink in 2 different size bottles. The larger vial contains more medication, but that doesn't mean it's stronger. Your provider still determines your prescribed dose. The testosterone is mixed with a liquid called a carrier oil, so it can be injected. Think of it this way: the testosterone is the medicine. The oil is what carries it. You may see several types of carrier oils used with testosterone. Grapeseed oil is thinner and can be easier to draw into the syringe and inject. Cottonseed oil is a little thicker, so it may take a little longer to draw. MCT oil is another lighter option. It is thin and can make injections easier, especially with smaller needles. Ethyl oleate is very thin and also easy to inject, although some people may notice a mild irritation with this carrier. Typically, you will stay on the same carrier oil from refill to refill. If a different carrier oil ever needs to be considered because of availability, your provider and care team will discuss that change with you first. And finally, your testosterone may also come from a different pharmacy than your last refill. That usually comes down to things like availability, location, and which options are currently in stock. When possible, we can change the pharmacy or vial size while keeping your carrier oil the same. Having multiple pharmacy options helps us avoid unnecessary delays in your treatment. So if your next refill looks different, don't assume your treatment has changed. The vial, carrier oil, or pharmacy may be different, but your prescribed testosterone dose remains based on your provider's treatment plan. If you observe any redness, swelling, itching, or discomfort after receiving an injection, it's important to reach out to your Rejuvime team. While such reactions aren't typical, your team can provide the necessary guidance and support needed. We're here to help you understand your options and keep your treatment moving.